Yes, that is good news. We're starting to see that rain let up, and this is the end of it, folks. So we may see an isolated shower yet tonight, but tomorrow things are going to be drastically improving in terms of not seeing any more of that rainfall for those mud-flown areas. And right now we're seeing a little bit that is just coming down here south of Lake Isabella, and we're taking you down along Highway 58 right here. This is over by the Bodfish area, Walker Basin, and we're going to continue to watch as some of those creeks are still going to watch for some overflow and some runoff over the next couple of hours or so. And then this shower popping up south there of Tehachapi, also seeing some of this moisture. They'll be heading towards the west, and it'll be south of Arvin. Arvin just received a trace of rain out of that yesterday. Meanwhile, everyone's pretty humid, and we're looking at temperatures around 97. We did top out at 98 here in Bakersfield, and it's 98 in Delano right now. Still sticky there. 94 in Taft, 83 in Fraser Park, 79 in Tehachapi, 88 in Lake Isabella, and we still have the flash flood warning through 6 p.m. That will be for the mountain areas over by Lake Isabella, and we have the flash flood watch through 11 o'clock. That is for Kern County mountains and deserts. So we'll still be tracking a little bit of rainfall here, pretty light from here on out. That's good news. 3-day total, though, pretty impressive at that Paiute Peak. Let me tell you, for the past 3 days, then, 4.12 inches. Now, keep in mind, 2 or 3 of that was in a very short time frame of about 12 hours between Saturday and into Sunday. And then today we've picked up about 3/4 of an inch there at Paiute Peak. Also looking then at Mojave, seeing their rain yesterday. Arvin received a trace yesterday. Tehachapi is getting a little bit more than this. We'll add on to this today. But the bulk of the rain was yesterday. And now today we've probably seen 3/4 of an inch or less throughout that flood-prone area. Still, it doesn't take much, as we know, to cause those runoffs and the flash flooding that we've seen again today with more evacuations. And now things are starting to wind on down. We still have that monsoonal flow, though, coming in. Notice we still have shower activity in southern Nevada over towards Arizona and into New Mexico. But that flow will be cut off tomorrow. It's going to be primarily back off towards the south. And so tomorrow, only a slight chance of a storm. And notice how it's going to be out of our viewing area. I really think the best chance is going to be in that red shaded, and that's going to be in southern Arizona and New Mexico for tomorrow. So as for us, the high pressure ridge is starting to collapse. We're going to watch for some changes then. We're going to start to dry on out, bring in some drier air, because it's all that moisture that's making it so sticky. And by tomorrow, we'll start to see the changes where the monsoonal flow will be back off towards the east, and it's going to allow for some thunderstorms in that area. But here, we're going to call for sunshine, temperatures around 97. That's after overnight lows, still pretty humid, around 75 in Bakersfield, 73 in Taft. So tomorrow, about the same as today temperature-wise here in the valley. Will be around 89 in Tehachapi, partly cloudy skies. Could still hear a rumble of thunder isolated tonight. Most likely it's just going to be a little bit of light rain. And then into the desert too, a slight chance of some light rain tonight, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. 102 in Ridgecrest, 97 in Roseman. So the good news is things are really calming down in terms of what we can expect for the rest of tonight. And I think that we're out of the woods here as far as the worst of it. We'll be in the upper 90s as we head then into the rest of the work week. Temperatures in the lower 70s, and into the mountains, some 90s on the map too. So it's going to be a lot better once we get through the rest of tonight. Tomorrow should be definitely an improvement, and we'll still be a little warm throughout the rest of the week, but pretty average.
Yeah. It's about normal.
Exactly.
Okay.
July. Yeah.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Alyssa.
Alyssa. Still ahead on 7.